Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we check out the Peak Design packing cubes. They're compressible, they're easy to access, they're instantly dividable, and they're also made of some really solid materials. Easily some of the best packing cubes on the market right now. I'm Ed from Rushfaster. We do guides and walkthroughs, bringing you better gear just like these packing cubes. So if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Let's check out the Peak Design packing cubes. The packing cubes are part of the Peak Design travel range, and the range includes tech pouches, wash pouches, shoe pouches, camera cubes, and these packing cubes. And they're meant to work seamlessly with the travel backpack and the travel duffels. But really, anyone can add these to their travel carry. This is the small size, and this is the medium size. The packing cubes are made from this beautiful abrasion-resistant, weatherproof 70D nylon and polyester blend, which is 100% recycled. It's got a self-healing quality, it's super durable, and it's lightweight, which is crucial to any travel carry. The pull tabs are Hyperlon, and the zippers are reliable and smooth YKK zips. The internal pocket lining is a silicone-coated mesh. Let's take a look at some more of the features. The two Hyperlon pull tabs provide ultra-fast tearaway to the main compartment. These are really unique. They let you access your contents quickly, unlike the standard packing cubes that have a single U-zip opening. It's actually quite satisfying opening it each time. Now, on the other side, there is a secondary zippered compartment. It's ideal for dirty or used clothes so that you can separate it from your clean clothes. What's really neat about this packing cube is that when you fill it full of clean clothes, once you use those clean clothes and they become dirty and you put them in the secondary compartment, they actually replace the space from the main compartment. Now, this packing cube also has expansion and compression. The expansion/compression zip runs around the whole cube and provides an additional, almost double capacity of the original space. If you've packed the cube really full, it also gives the ability to recompress the cube once packed, giving you that extra needed space in your backpack or luggage. Say for instance, you want to bring with you a sweater, and maybe you also want to bring with you a fleece. Hello, beautiful. You might have noticed I really like Patagonia. So there is still a generous amount of space in the cube, but let's just pack it there for now. So this is the cube uncompressed. There's still plenty of space inside, but let's compress it just so you can see how much space it saves. Nice and packed in. I should also mention that on the sides there is this quick grab handle for pulling it out of the backpack or hauling it around, and there are also these two side loops here that you can attach a carabiner on or just loop it to anything else. Now, depending on how you travel, you typically want to keep your outerwear in one cube and your intimates and socks and underwear in the other cube. Inside here I've just packed in my socks. Now you might want to pack this a little bit differently. Maybe you want to put your t-shirts in here instead of the main compartment. How you pack it is totally up to you. Now these cubes work with the Peak Design packing unit system. The medium is 2 units and the small is 1 unit. So this is what it looks like inside the travel backpack. Now, depending on how you travel, maybe you want to be a bit extra and get another set of packing cubes. And depending on how high you fill these cubes, you could actually fill in another set of packing cubes. There is enough space for you to set another small. Now, the travel backpack had a maximum capacity of 3 packing units. The travel duffel pack has a maximum capacity of 4 packing units. Bit of a size reference for you there. Once you expand the duffel pack, you could actually probably squeeze in 1 more packing unit. The travel duffel can take up to 3 units. Again, there's a little bit of space for more. So these are the Peak Design packing cubes. They help you stay organized and they help you pack efficiently. They're super functional, heavy duty, but lightweight, and they have this kind of minimal aesthetic to them. And much like all of Peak Design's travel gear, they are a delight to use. If you want to grab a set of packing cubes, head over to rushfaster.com. If you're not in Australia, check out the links in the description below and you can find out where you can get these packing cubes. If you like this video, hit that like button. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Peak Design packing cube. If you have any questions about them, let us also know in the comments. As always, subscribe to see more carry gear reviews and walkthroughs, and be sure to hit the bell so you never miss an update. This has been the Peak Design packing cube. We'll see you next time.